Hi, I'm Stephanie Gilchrist with Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty. Welcome to Green Square, in the heart of the Lower Mission. We are so close to the beach, you can just walk right down there. It's amazing. And yet all your amenities are nearby. And this is a gorgeous townhome with a large double garage as well. Let's take a look. On the main floor, the kitchen opens out onto the living area, out onto the deck that I was just on, and then you also have an outdoor barbecue, patio, and a nice little sitting area, as well as extra pantry space. Upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms with a nice large primary. There's a dual vanity in the bathroom and a beautiful shower, and the laundry is up here as well as a shared bath. Now, we don't normally show off the garage, but for a townhome, this one is really great. It's double size and it's got this extra area for a shop, which is super rare. When you come in from here, there's also another bedroom or flex space, den, however you want to use it. This is a great end unit at Green Square. Give me a call for your personal tour today.